Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change strike through or cross out markup color using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is a PDF Pro and I'll change this strike through color. Now simply click on this strike through and select and this properties option open and this border color option. Click on this down arrow and here you can select default color, this black color, this one will select properties. I'll add yellow color and see this one. I'll change. I'll add red color. If you want, you can add new custom color. First I'll apply and click on this structure as select properties, border color and smooth color option, this custom color. Now you can add custom color. I say okay, add this. Yeah, in this way you can change the structure of color.